Hello and welcome to another video. I wanted to make this video something a little bit different, a real-time video of something I just got in my email in my inbox, which is from Clover. It says introducing the Clover online appointment scheduler. I want to make this video just like how you would see an email from Clover and how you would react to it or go over it and understand it. So it says running your business hard enough, managing appointments shouldn't be. With our new online scheduling feature, your customers can book their own appointments and you have full visibility over your schedule. You spend less time on the phone and more time focusing on what matters most, your business. Take control of your appointments with online booking. You can manage your schedule by allowing clients to choose a time slot and select their preferred staff. Plus, customers can pay ahead, giving you more freedom to focus on your business. Fewer no-shows, more business, send automatic reminders, and cut down on missed appointments, and more clients showing up means more money in your pocket. Okay, interesting. So the Clover itself has appointment apps in there, but it looks like they made their own. So let's go ahead and press this button and see what happens. Oh wait, there's more to it. Let's see. This online appointment scheduler is just one of the great features of our new service growth plan. Okay, so this new plan they have. So just to kind of explain to those of you that don't know, before I press this button here. So Clover has different plans. Let me show you. When I go to view all settings, you'll notice Clover has something called service plans, which is, where is it at? Right here, service plan. You'll notice they have different ones. So these are different plans here they have. You can choose this one, which is free per month, $11.95 per month for additional device. Remember, I've been working with the Clover POS for many years. When they first came out, they had like, I think, 2 plans. So over time, as their industry grew, they supported more industries like retail and everything else. So now they have a lot of plans. So when you see this video for the first time or you seeing it in the future, keep in mind that this is as of December 2024, because the Clover dashboard tends to change a lot. Just because they add more features and they make adjustments. So, because I know in my previous videos, if you look at my old videos, it looks completely different. So anyhow, these are what the plans are now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the one I currently have, okay, which has all this stuff. But this one is interesting too. Actually, this is that one. Never mind. It's interesting because it goes like, it doesn't go in order. Did you notice that? It goes 1, 2, and then this should be over here. Anyhow, wait, they're all the same price. That's interesting. Wait, no, this is $5 more. So this is $5 less. How they come up with their price, I don't really know. I wouldn't have the answer to that, but that's what it shows on my screen as of this date in December of 2024. So when you see this video, it may show something different, okay? I'm just showing you what I see. Okay, let's go ahead, go back to the email again. Let's continue where I left off. So you could do all this stuff. Let's see what happens. So I have this plan, and this email is saying that I have to get this plan right here, service growth plan, which is this one. So if I click on this button, let's see what it does. It's loading. Yep, that's exactly what I figured it would do. It would try to upgrade my plan so I can get this feature right here. So let's see if even though I don't need this feature, but just for educational purposes, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade to it. And then once I see what it's about, because just like you, I have, we're a developer for the Clover, but I also have a Clover merchant account at the same time. So I can also see what's happening in the real-time space, just like how you guys are out there with your owning a business and operating it. I also have a merchant account so I can experience what you guys are seeing on your end, right? Because I know there's a huge disconnect whenever I email like a developer or somebody and ask them a question about their business. They're like totally clueless, right? Because they don't know the other side. So I like to be on both sides, because when you have both sides, you can connect what the merchant needs, what the business needs, and how to make products and services that meet those needs, right? So you want to be balanced, right? Because I just got off an email from a company because one of their features was not working correctly, and he's just a technical engineer. He just doesn't know the customer side. He was like, oh, we don't have that. because he doesn't know this side. He only knows that side. So I don't want to be like that kind of person where I don't know the merchant side. I want to know your experience too. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out, see how it looks like. So he's saying, yes, I understand. I authorize it. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and do it just for you guys to also see that I'm in the trenches just like you are. I'm also learning. I'm also trying to benefit and see what Clover has to offer, how these features connect. So I got this plan now. As you saw, I went from this plan to this plan. Okay. So now I have these new features according to this bulletins here called appointment scheduling. So what does that mean? Where is it at? So I'm going to go ahead and try to figure this out just like you are, because I get calls from merchants all the time, and they ask me for my opinion and how I view things, and I'm very honored to have that feedback loop from you guys. It really means a lot. And I can't attend to every call, but I try to do my best to give my experience over the last decade of doing this. So I am, going to go ahead and try to figure this out, just like how you figured out. Let's see where this button is at. Appointment scheduling. Let's take a look. Where's it at? See the new settings that popped up here. So we have online booking right here, which was not there before, under business operations. And we have notification preferences. We have online booking. We have booking tools right here. So you can see some new tabs opened up. That was not there before. I don't recall seeing this before, neither this one here. So let's go ahead and start with this button here. So this one is basically the Clover online store. So it looks like, let's see what they're trying to accomplish here. So now they're giving you ability to make a website. Home page, so you put your banner here. A welcome message, see what's new, browse now, shop all. Your social media, list your items for services, additional pages, site settings, SEO metadata, domain selection. Yeah, so you can see from here, it's not a branded domain, it's a subdomain. So basically, this is the main domain, and then they just automatically populate your business name here, and then to tell you if it's available. So this is already available, okay? And then of course, you have to agree to the terms and service. And let's go ahead and take a look what this looks like, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and view it. So basically, looks like what they're trying to do here is more than just booking. They're actually doing you like a site, something along those lines. But if you look here, there's some other buttons here too. But let's see what it does here. Business hours, QR code. Okay, I want to see what my booking calendar looks like. Where do people book from? Accept booking appointments. Let's see what it says here. Oh, there it is. There's my URL right there. Okay. So basically, I see what they're trying to accomplish here. So they basically have you make a online order page, which is a subdomain of your business name with this. It's not a branded domain, which is something we do for customers. So this is a subdomain, which we also do as well. Depending on your needs, you can go either way. Oh, customer outreach. Let's see what this one is right here. Customer outreach. Okay, so it looks like it's interesting. Okay. Promos. Okay, so it looks like you get this stuff with it too. Google My Business Connected, claim your business. Okay, so it looks like the customer outreach online booking. Anyhow, it's a very interesting concept they're trying to accomplish here. What they're basically building for you is a website like this, and so they take your business name and they add this at the very end, and then from here you get your URL. And because I don't have my booking calendar set up yet, because that's something I don't have that kind of service, but for salons or for people that need that, this link will allow you to have your customers go there and book a thing. So I'm gonna stop here because I need to first make that booking hours and my schedule, my calendar, which I don't want to make the video too long on the first part, but here's what it is. In a nutshell, what it does, it creates for you a website or a subdomain with your business name, where it has a store facing like presence, and it has a booking calendar, and also has like a shop page. That's what it looks like to me so far, because you can see here it has my website, online booking, right? It has both, right? So let me show you one more time here, right? So you see how it says home page, list your items and services, additional pages, site settings, domain selection, you know. So basically you have to list your items and services. So you can put your product name here, featured category. So this is what it does. But what I'll do is I'll make a second part of this video once I make my schedule for my booking calendar, and I want to see how this, what they're offering here, can be worked with our branded app, because we have a branded app. I want to see, because from what I see now, it's pretty interesting, because I know merchants have reached out to us asking how can they offer booking, maybe for catering, for a dine-in, for something like that. And our app has this capability where you can integrate something like this. I'm going to see how well it works, and then stay tuned for part 2 of my video on how I'm going to try to get this thing to work with a branded app, so people can order online, also book probably a you know, like a table or something like that. So I'm going to see how that works. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video as I'm learning this feature more and more. Again, I'm in the trenches just like you guys are, because I want to see from your perspective, not just from my perspective, right? Because there's the development side, and then there's the customer facing side, or the merchant facing side. So I always like to see both sides, so I can find out how we can use the technologies that we have to use what's out there and make a mesh or work together. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.